Hey guys, this is your artist TolgArt. I was cleaning my room and I just found some very old drawings of mine. So I said to myself it would be cool to redraw some drawings of my childhood. I found a lot of drawings from my childhood, so I could do many videos like this one if you like. Let me know below if you want to see more like this. Since I was a little kid, I was drawing new characters just like this one. This drawing is from 2009. It's not bad at all. The proportions are good, the idea of the character design is also not bad. But as you can see, I was using some really bad markers at the time. But anyways, let's redraw this guy. This could be a new saint, why not? So, the sketching is done. Let's compare them. It's definitely the same character. I kept the position, clothes and even the aura just like in the drawing from 2009. I have to say I really like this character. I think we will see more of him in the future. Okay, we are done with the inking. And as you can see, I really improved, obviously. Now it's time to get the Copics out. I will try to give him the exact same colors as in the drawing from 2009. I will not change anything. And the Copic Colour numbers will be in the description box if you want to draw this one as well. Let's go!
free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind crying out its prayer. Why are we so ashamed to be alive? Break the chains and our freedom's ours to take.
And that's it, guys. We are done with recreating a drawing from my childhood. I am really happy with this one. The quality and the difference is huge. But of course, I used Copic Colour markers for the new drawing. Even if I had not improved, the new drawing would look much better just because of the Copics. But anyways, there you see, guys, you can improve your drawing skills if you work on yourself. It's all a matter of time. Just draw as often as you can and be patient. And enjoy the process. I hope that you enjoyed this kind of video. If you want to see more drawings from my childhood, write that down below in the comments. And if you like this character, give this video a big thumb up. By the way, what could be his name? Any ideas? Write that also down below in the comments. We are close to 200,000 subscribers, guys. Share this video so we can reach that goal very soon. Thank you for watching, and I see you this weekend with another epic drawing. Until then, stay healthy, work on yourself, be a good person, be you, and always remember, you are the designer of your own life.